Okay, now WhatsApp is no more just an instant messaging application. It is much more than that. There are loads of features which have been added on WhatsApp now, which makes it much more complex with loads of new features, and Meta has been doing really great by adding some fantastic features on WhatsApp all this while. Now I'm currently on WhatsApp beta, and I have already discussed about some brand new features which we have got in the past on the channel, and if you're on a stable variant you would have got most of those features by now, and if you're on beta you would be getting many more features in the coming days. But now Meta has added a brand new feature called Channels, which is currently available in more than 150 countries. Now here in my region this has just arrived, and if you're in some other countries you would have already got this update some time back. Now in this video let me quickly show you what exactly this feature is all about. Let me open WhatsApp. Now as you can see I'm currently on beta version of WhatsApp, so I've got all these navigation buttons at the bottom. You might be having it on the top. Now here I'm using the WhatsApp on Z Fold 5, and the same account has been linked on my S23 Ultra as well. I'm showing this to you on Z Fold 5 because the linked account does not show the updates for now, so I really can't show you those features on the S23 Ultra, so I am showing that to you on the Z Fold 5. Now let's go ahead. As you can see at the bottom we have got this all new option now called Updates, which was earlier mentioned as Status. Now let me tap on Updates. As you can see the status is right here on the top. I can scroll through horizontally to check out all the status that I have from my contact, and right below that we have got this brand new feature, Channels. As you can see I have already subscribed to a few channels here. The channel is nothing but the private broadcasting service using which we can create our own channel to broadcast our messages, and anybody can subscribe to a particular channel. Meta says channels are separate from chats, and who you choose to follow is not visible to other followers. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let me just open this particular channel here. I will tap on the channel profile. As you can see here it says profile privacy. This channel has added privacy for your profile and phone number. Tap to learn more. I'll just tap on this. It says you are not visible to other followers. Followers can't see when you follow or interact in a channel. Your phone number is protected. Admins can't see your full phone number unless they have saved you as a contact. Admins can see your profile name. Admins may also see your profile photos based on your privacy settings. So the privacy is very well maintained here on channels, so you can go ahead and subscribe to any channel that you want. Your contact number and your profile pictures will not be available to the other users or other subscribers on the channel and the admin of that channel as well. That is just fantastic. Now let me just tap on OK. Let's go back. Now you can see this looks like any other chat message. We get the broadcasted messages right here in this particular channel. Let me just go back. Now if you want to start your own channel you can do that by tapping on the plus button, but for now I don't see this option on this beta version that I have, and when I tap on the plus button it only says find channels. I don't have an option to create a channel of my own here. Let me just tap on this. As you can see I have got all these channel lists here: most active, popular, new, India. You can also select the country that you want. Apparently this has been launched in more than 150 countries, so you will be able to subscribe to any channel from your country. So you can select your country here and check out the channels which are available in your country and subscribe to it if you wish to do that. Now to subscribe all you need to do is just tap on a plus button. You will be able to see all the broadcasted message from that particular channel on the channel section. Let me go back. As you can see these are the channels that I've got, and whenever I add the new channels it will show up right here, and the chats are separately available here, and if you want to see any messages from the channels you can tap on updates and go to the channels that you have subscribed right here. Apart from that we have got the status option right here on top, and you can create the status by tapping on this particular icon right here at the bottom, so that has not changed. The only change that we see, or the only new feature that we see, is channels here, and this seems to be quite interesting. Go ahead and check out the channels available in your country and subscribe to it and see how it works, and do let me know what do you think about this particular feature in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and become a part of Apex community, and hit the like button if you find this video useful. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye bye.